Welcome back to the channel, guys. Winter's gone. I spent hours and hours trying to drive around the higher mountains to find roads that I can go down and winter camp on. And the roads that I could get to were just like this. So I was just like, whatever, I'll just go to an area I know is just a fun area to be at and get to camping. So just set up the tent and stuff. I think I might just hang out for a bit and might throw the drone up before the sun sets, and then we'll get a fire going and then we will cook some dinner. Also just want to hop on here and say thank you to everybody who's subscribed and watched the last video and couple videos. I know to some people 30,000 views isn't insane, but to me that's wild. I just can't believe it. So thank you to everyone who's watched and subscribed. It motivates me to like keep doing this, and plenty more of this will be coming down the road, and hopefully some more winter camping, real winter camping. Oh no, I bent it. Oh, it's so bent. No, it's not gonna work. It's getting a little colder, the sun is setting, but tonight we're gonna cook some chicken over the fire and make some chicken tacos. I guess I've never really introduced myself on here, but I'm Ricky Rice. I am a freelance photographer and filmmaker full-time. I've worked for all kinds of different brands and companies, from tech startups to outdoor brands and so forth. I started doing YouTube 2 years ago, maybe, and then I stopped doing it because I got a full-time job. Ended up quitting that job, and now I'm back to freelancing, so now I have time to go out here and film some YouTube videos and do what I enjoy. I'm originally from Indiana, moved to Colorado 4 or 5 years ago, and it's been great. Colorado is exactly where I feel like I belong. I get to do all the outdoor adventure stuff that I've always dreamed of doing, and it's just been great. That's a little about me. I think I'm gonna just sit here for a little bit, enjoy this moment, and get the fire nice and hot so that I can cook some chicken on it here in a little bit. There's a huge hill right here, and all of the firewood is at the bottom of it. Either it's a hard hill to carry up stuff, or I'm just out of shape. You know we gotta put extra cheese on there. Oh yeah. It might not be snowy, but we're still winter camping. It's dropped below 30 degrees and just getting a little bit colder. It's a beautiful night. I mean, the stars are so clear. I'm gonna try and take some photos of them tonight. Food, 10 out of 10. I gotta pat myself on the back. That was incredible. People often wonder what's going on up in the tent, and I might film something up there, I might not, but not much is going on in there. There's literally, I just have like multiple sleeping bags, multiple blankets, and a pillow. And then the inside of it, there's a, cushion, and that's about it. So it's nothing fancy at all. Do I wish to have something fancy one day? For sure. But for now, this does what I need, and it gets me out here to enjoy nature, and can't limit yourself with not having the best stuff. So I think I'm just going to clean up and maybe sit by the fire for a little bit, but probably climb up in the tent and call it a night. Morning. All right.